Alright, here's how you can create the graph of a system of equation using Microsoft Excel, in particular the scatter plot. First, here's the two equations, okay, x plus y equal 4, x minus y equal 2. What I'm going to do is find the intercepts of this equation, x plus y equal 4. When the x is 0, the y will be 4 for this equation. That's called the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, I will plug in the y with 0, and my x will be 4. Okay, so these are the intercepts of this equation right here. Let's do the same thing for this second equation. So if my x is 0, my y is going to be -2, and that's called the y-intercept. And if I want to find the x-intercept, I'm going to plug in the y with 0, so my x is going to be 2. So you can see here I created what is called a table of values. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell Excel that all of these values here for x and y, I'm going to create a scatter plot. So go to the Insert tab. This is Microsoft Excel 2007. Select Scatter. Choose the first one. Okay, Scatter with only markers. And you can see the scatter plot right here. Okay, let's take away this legend here that says series 1. So just highlight or click on it and then press the delete key. There you go. Makes the graph a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to go back to Insert tab, and I'm going to select the drawing tools, which in this case I'm going to choose, or I'm going to click the shapes icon, and I'm going to select line. And the first line is from 0, 4, which is this point, all the way to 4, 0, which is this point right here. Now I'm not going to just connect the two dots. I'm going to extend it because these are lines. So I'm going to extend it a little bit beyond 4, 0. That's my first line that represents this equation right there, x plus y equal 4. The second line, I'm going to connect the other 2 points. So again, insert, shapes, select line, and the first point is 0, -2, and I'm going to connect it with 2, 0. But again, extend it, make sure the line goes through the middle of the marker or point. Okay, more or less around there. Okay, and that's how you draw the graph of these two equations using the intercept method and scatter plot. Now the solution of this system is where the two lines intersect, and the two lines intersect right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a marker there in the intersection point. So I'm going to go to shapes, and I don't know, to be creative, I'm going to choose the star. I'm going to put a star right there and where the 2 points intersect. So let me drag it, and right there. And where these two lines intersect, give me the coordinates. So it will be 3, comma, 1. And that will be my point of intersection and the solution of this system. You can check if I put 3 for x and 1 for y, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I got the first equation. It makes the first equation true. Let's do the second equation. I put the x with 3 and the y with 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So it also works. So this is the system. This is the solution of the system of equation. And that's how you do it with Microsoft Excel. I hope this helps.